Anya, what are you doing? Come here. Anya. Anya. Look. Come here. Come here, Anya. I'm taking a video so you can tell everyone what you're doing. Come here. Come here, look. Come here. Come here, come really close. Come really close. Look it, Anya. Tell everyone what you were just doing with mommy.
We went out in the rain.
Tell everyone what you were just doing.
We jumped.
I was just, there was water puddles on my stinky toes.
And your stinky toes. Where did all the rain come from? Where did it come from? Point up at the clouds.
Up there.
Whoa, look at those clouds. And are you all dry?
No.
No, what? Are you all wet?
Wet.
Yeah.
You had so much fun, didn't you?
I need to do it again.
You want to do it again? Okay, you know what?
We gotta wait for it to rain.
Good.
More puddles.
More puddles. Those are
Right
muddy
up here,
puddles.
right by our house.
Look at that. Splash in that puddle. Show me what you were doing out there. Okay.
Okay.